Ever wondered what are the top 5 rodents in the world? Well, you're in for a treat. Today we'll be embarking on a fascinating journey, diving deep into the world of rodents and counting down the top 5 that roam our planet. But first, let's set the stage with a quick Rodent 101. What makes a rodent? Well, a rodent. It's all in the teeth. Rodents are characterized by their pairs of continuously growing razor-sharp incisors. These front teeth allow them to gnaw on a variety of materials, from wood to hard nuts, making them incredibly adaptable creatures. Whether they're small and nimble or large and robust, rodents have carved out niches in nearly every environment on Earth. Their sheer diversity and adaptability are what make them so intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of these fascinating creatures. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have the capybara. This charming creature is no ordinary rodent. In fact, it's the largest rodent in the world, tipping the scales at up to 150 pounds. That's about the same weight as an average adult human. The capybara hails from South America, where it spends most of its time lounging near bodies of water. Lakes, rivers, swamps, you name it. If there's water, chances are you'll find a capybara nearby. This affinity for water isn't just for play though. When danger looms, these rodents take a dive and can stay submerged for up to 5 minutes. Talk about a superpower. Speaking of superpowers, did you know that capybaras are semi-aquatic? Not only can they swim like a fish, but they also have partially webbed feet to make them expert paddlers. And that's not all. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are positioned high on their heads, enabling them to remain almost completely submerged while still keeping an eye out for predators. In the wild, capybaras are social creatures often found in groups of 10 to 20. They're herbivores, munching on a diet of grasses, aquatic plants, fruits, and tree bark. They're also known to be incredibly friendly, often fostering relationships with a wide variety of other animals. But what truly sets the capybara apart from other rodents is its calm and gentle demeanor. Despite their size, capybaras are often described as giant, cuddly guinea pigs. They've been known to form close bonds with humans and are even popular in some parts of the world as pets. So, if you're ever in South America, keep an eye out for these gentle giants. Whether they're frolicking in the water, grazing on the riverbanks, or simply enjoying a lazy afternoon sunbathing, capybaras are a delightful sight to behold, and a testament to the diverse and fascinating world of rodents. Moving on to number 4, meet the industrious North American beaver. Known for their relentless work ethic and remarkable engineering skills, these rodents are the construction workers of the animal kingdom. The North American beaver is an expert dam builder, using a mix of mud, stones, and their preferred building material, wood. With their sharp, sturdy teeth that never stop growing, beavers can fell a tree up to a foot in diameter. Once the tree is down, beavers use the branches and the trunk to build their dams, creating a cozy lodge in the middle for their families. And these aren't just any old dams. They are meticulously crafted structures that can stretch up to 1,000 feet long. These dams serve a dual purpose. Not only do they provide a safe haven for beaver families, protecting them from predators, but they also play a significant role in shaping ecosystems. By slowing down the flow of water, they create wetlands, a lush habitat teeming with diverse life forms. These wetlands also act as natural filters, purifying the water and preventing erosion. The North American beaver is a sociable creature living in close-knit family units of up to 12 members. They communicate using a complex system of vocal and physical cues, and even their dam building is a team effort. Each member has a role to play, from gathering materials to reinforcing the dam. Playing a significant role in shaping ecosystems, the North American beaver is not just industrious but also an environmental hero. They are nature's architects, engineers, and conservationists, all rolled into one. Their dam-building abilities not only create a safe home for their families but also foster biodiversity, proving that even the smallest creatures can have a big impact on our planet. These hard-working rodents certainly earn their spot on our countdown. Coming in at number 3, it's a creature you're probably quite familiar with, the common squirrel. Squirrels are a diverse bunch. You might be familiar with the eastern gray squirrel or the American red squirrel. But did you know that there are over 200 species of squirrels worldwide, ranging from the tiny African pygmy squirrel, which is just 5 inches long, to the Malabar giant squirrel of India, with a body that stretches to almost 3 feet. Squirrels come in all shapes and sizes. Their diets are just as varied as their species. Most squirrels are herbivores, munching on nuts, seeds, fruits, and berries. But some species like the northern flying squirrel prefer a carnivorous diet, feasting on insects, eggs, and even small birds. Squirrels are renowned hoarders. They bury their food in hundreds of locations to save for later, a behavior known as scatter hoarding. This not only ensures they have a food supply during lean times but also aids in seed dispersal, which is crucial for the regeneration of plants. In fact, squirrels are one of nature's most effective seed dispersers. Their forgetfulness, it seems, is a boon for the environment. These creatures are also known for their acrobatic skills. They can leap 10 times their body length, turn their ankles 180 degrees to face any direction while climbing, and even swim when necessary. This agility helps them evade predators and traverse their treetop habitats with ease. Socially, squirrels communicate using a series of chirps and tail signals. They're solitary animals, but when they do interact, it's a sight to behold, with chases and acrobatics that would put even the best gymnasts to shame. The common squirrel, then, is not so common after all. They're acrobats, hoarders, seed dispersers, and even occasional carnivores. So next time you see a squirrel scampering up a tree or burying an acorn, remember, there's more to these creatures than meets the eye. These energetic rodents are a common sight but are more interesting than you might think. At number 2, we have a rodent that's made itself at home in urban environments around the world, the brown rat. Known by many names, these adaptable critters have proven to be survivors, thriving in a variety of habitats from countryside to cityscape. The brown rat's adaptability is truly remarkable. These rodents can eat almost anything, and when the going gets tough, they're excellent swimmers and climbers. They've been known to scale vertical surfaces, navigate through waterways, and burrow underground with ease. But they're not just survivors, they're also quite intelligent. Rats are known for their problem-solving skills, and brown rats are no exception. They can quickly learn new tasks, remember routes to food sources, and even display a degree of empathy towards their fellow rats. Brown rats also have a complex social structure, living in colonies led by a dominant male. They communicate through a series of chirps and squeaks, and if you listen closely, you might even hear them laugh when they're tickled. However, the brown rat's reputation as a pest overshadows these fascinating traits. They're often seen as carriers of disease, and their tendency to gnaw on structures and wires has caused considerable damage. But remember, they're just trying to survive in a world they didn't create. Despite their reputation, brown rats are incredibly resourceful animals. Their adaptability and intelligence have allowed them to carve out a niche in almost every corner of the globe. And finally, at number 1, we have a rodent that's won hearts around the world as a beloved pet, the guinea pig. Originating from the Andean region of South America, guinea pigs were domesticated as early as 5000 BC. These adorable creatures have been captivating us with their charm for over 7,000 years. Their endearing qualities are countless, from their curious nature to their gentle demeanor, and of course, their enchanting squeaks that can melt even the hardest of hearts. But the guinea pig's contributions extend far beyond being a delightful companion. They have played an essential role in scientific research. This began in the late 19th century when scientists chose them as subjects for their experiments due to their docile nature and easy maintenance. Their contribution to medical advancements, including the development of antibiotics and the vitamin C discovery, is truly phenomenal. In the realm of pets, guinea pigs stand out for their sociability and emotional intelligence. They are known to recognize and respond to their owners, often showing excitement when they enter the room. Their ability to form strong bonds with humans and their fellow guinea pigs is a testament to their friendly and affectionate nature. These qualities make the guinea pig not just a popular pet, but a beloved member of many families worldwide, bringing joy and companionship to people of all ages. So there you have it, our number 1 rodent, the guinea pig, proving that these creatures can be much more than meets the eye.